Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it, and click the like button. Today we're going to take that 2008 Shelby GT500 out for a drive and just have a little fun with it, so hopefully you enjoy it. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do before we get in the car is to take a look at the dyno sheet on the car. I don't know if you've ever seen one before, so this should be interesting. I'm sure there's lots of different variations for them, but this will be one, so you can see what you get. So here you go. Alright, here's the dyno sheet on that Mustang, so I figured we could take a look at it just so you have some idea of what's on it. The top box is the horsepower rating. So you can see this one was 516.62 max horsepower. And then the second box down is the torque. And so you can see this car was at 498.31 pound-feet of torque. And then at the very bottom is just a little more information about the test. It's got, running conditions and temperatures and humidities and things like that. So, all right, let's go for a ride. Alright guys, we're going to take this Mustang out for a little drive today. Should be a lot of fun. See what it can do. It's kind of fun. You can hear the supercharger really spin up. Catch up to people in no time at all. See the boost go up as you hit the gas.
Love that. I didn't know those were boosters.
thing on this car, everything is exactly the way it's supposed to be. You let go of the steering wheel, it just keeps going straight down the road. Really gets up to speed quick. At 75 miles an hour, we're right at 2,000 RPMs. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the Shelby Mustang. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to give you one quick update on a 1956 Chevy Nomad that Ed did some paint work on. So here you go. Here's our buddy's 56 Chevy Nomad. He wants Ed to repaint the white on this car. We'll walk back and take a look at what he's got in mind. He's got all the trim off it right now, but if you look, there's a lot of nicks and scrapes and things in the white paint, and so Ed's gonna repaint this for him. Ed repainted the back end of this car. It had a few minor paint issues. So that's what that's doing here. Looks great now. Here's our 57. Here's our buddy's 56 Chevy Nomad. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Today we're going to take that 2000. Hey guys, today we're going to take that 2008 Shelby GT. Hey guys, welcome back.